Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that the price for this Anker 3-in-1 power bank is changing all the time. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be taking a look at this Anker 3-in-1 power bank. Now, this is the power bank right here, and it easily fits in your hand, and I wanna mention a few features about this power bank. Now, first off is one of the best features about this power bank, and that's the fact that you don't need a cable to go ahead and charge up this power bank. You can simply just flip this down, and you are ready to plug this right into an outlet. So let's go ahead and just plug this right in. You can see that charging indicator has popped up. Now, one issue I commonly run into with power banks is the power bank is charged up and ready to go, and I have my phone that needs a charge, but I just don't have the cable. So let me show you here how this power bank can solve that, because it has this USB-C cable built right into the actual power bank. Now, there are so many devices that use USB-C now, including most of the latest Android phones and the latest iPhones, as well as even MacBooks. I've been so impressed. This little power bank can power so many of my different devices. And in case you have two devices that need to be charged, you have the built-in USB-C charger, and you also have this USB-C port where you can plug in another cord and charge a second device at the same time. Guys, Anker is known for making some really high-quality charging components, and this is no exception. I think this power bank is one of the absolute best on the market right now, and by far my favorite, with just how easy it is to use, and the 3-in-1 technology. It makes it the only thing I need to carry around to charge my devices, and for that reason I highly recommend it. Now make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.